Hey guys, welcome back to Vanu's Food Moods. Today on the menu we have a cheesy chicken breast with mushroom and pepper sauce. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna pan cook the chicken breast with some oil. Add some salt and allow the chicken breast to cook. Now let's move on to making the pepper and mushroom sauce. For that, you'll need to saute a chopped up onion. Once you finish sauteing the onions, add mushroom. Now this mushroom has been boiled earlier with a little bit of salt. So I'm just going to be adding the mushroom and sauteing that as well. Once it has sauteed, allow this to cool down and then give it one grind in the mixer. Add a few peppercorns as well. Now I pan boil some potatoes to go along with this. All you've got to do is cut up the potatoes with the skin and place it in a little water. Add a little salt and allow it to bubble. I also covered the chicken so that it would cook faster. Now once you have your mushroom, onion and pepper puree ready, add it to the chicken with some water. Mix it up well and bring it to a boil. You can even add some more peppercorns and some more boiled mushroom on top and allow it to cook. Sprinkle a little herbs too. Cover it and allow all the flavors to blend in together. For the plating, place the chicken breast, add a slice of cheese on it, or you can grate some cheese, or if you don't want cheese you can skip that part. Pour a generous helping of the pepper mushroom sauce. Add the potatoes and finish it off with a dinner roll. And a complete meal is ready. If you like this simple recipe, please do subscribe to my channel for more. Please like, share and comment. And until next time, be safe, stay happy, eat healthy and bye-bye.